Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check serial number of your Logitech G Fits earbuds. All I have to do is just to remove both earbuds from the charging case, and the serial number is located actually inside on this side. So I'm gonna zoom in and I will try to show you where it is exactly located. And okay, it's really hard to show you where it is, but I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit closer. There we go. And the serial number appears in the left upper corner of all of this marking. But it's really hard to catch the focus on it. Maybe right now you are able to see that serial number. It appears right here. Oh, okay, right now we can definitely see the serial number in the left upper corner. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.